I'm gonna give you 100 tips that my real estate investing coach gave me, because getting a coach is kind of expensive. But you know what? Sometimes, like skiing, snowboarding, real estate, making money, it makes a difference between succeeding and losing. So let's start with our 3 tips for today. Keep watching for future videos as we count up to 100.
This is Mike Marino, and I help other airline pilots achieve that second source of income by helping them invest in real estate.
I love old historic homes like this. The problem is we buy so we can increase the cash flow. You want to build onto it. You want to add more rooms to it. You want to add a mother-in-law suite in the back. That's how you buy at today's market prices and still come out ahead of the competition. But when it comes to historic houses, you've got to deal with the government to do anything, even to change the color of the outside. Did you know you have to get a permit just to change the color of a historic house? I would love to live in it, but not to invest in a historic house.
Talk with 4th grade level vocabulary. Have you ever had a friend who comes in and they read a book saying, oh, if you learn one SAT word a day, use it 20 times so it fits in your vocabulary and you sound like a smarter person? Well, it's happened to me before. And I felt bad because, number one, it didn't make him appear smarter to me. I had no clue what he was talking about, so I wanted to avoid further conversation with him the rest of the day. And honestly, I didn't want to admit that I didn't know the word, so I put my guard up. I became a bit defensive, which is why when you're talking to a seller, a realtor, hell, just anybody in this real estate business, talk in the 4th grade, very simple vocabulary, talk softly, talk slow, as if you're a good friend of theirs. You've known them for 20 years. Because when you do that, you no longer sound arrogant, you sound like a friend. And now in negotiations, their guard level has gone down because they see you as an equal, as a friend, rather than somebody who's trying to confuse them, trying to be sneaky with fancy words.
Read constantly. Everything you need to know about making millions in real estate is here in the bookstore or on Amazon. The problem is, people are lazy. Nobody reads anymore. But if you watch interviews with Warren Buffett, what does he say? He constantly reads. He doesn't stop reading. Robert Kiyosaki, the same thing. He's constantly learning. So all your answers are here. Just make it a habit to start reading books that are towards your investment or business goals. Personally, I love Robert Kiyosaki. A lot of the books he references in his own books, I pick up. So don't forget, read constantly because the answers are right here. Boom! Hope you enjoyed those 3 tips from my real estate investing coach. Stand by for more videos as we make the count up to 100 real estate investing tips from my coach to you for free.